guys, it's Craig Shake back with another Walking Dead reaction. Today we will be reacting to Season 8, Episode 14. I'm super excited. This half of the season has been great, so let's get right into this reaction. Oh, we're starting off with Jada. Smart. That's really smart. Really, dude? I'm so happy we're focusing on Jada. I never thought I would say that. We get to see the living quarters.
What the shit?
Yes.
Stop by cowardice.
Well, okay. Okay, I'll let you have your moment, Ezekiel, but he is a stupid kid.
Hey.
Oh God, here we go.
It's been over a day. Still not sick. Doc says I'm cool.
Yep, because it wasn't infected.
Daryl, it just means that Dwight shot me as a clean arrow.
Yes. Daryl's really irritating me.
That can't be an accident.
Exactly.
Maybe. Look, you said that we might need him, and we might need him now more than ever. And what I'm saying is,
yes,
if I had killed him, maybe I would be dead right now.
Tara's getting it. She's getting it. Oh, Michonne. Oh, she's reading the letter.
You don't have to, Morgan.
I do. I could have before, and I should have. I was supposed to. See, we're the same, and I was supposed to. And I thought that.
He's losing it, man. These are all the sayings he used to say before.
Morgan. Fine. But I'm coming with you.
Look how far Carol and Morgan have come as a duo.
You think they're low on ammo?
Well, they must have gone through a whole bunch for getting through them walkers to sanctuary.
And there's not a lot.
Yeah, but they have Eugene.
They have our bullet maker. They can make one.
Yep.
You think the Sabres have?
In some way, I can help get it back.
Well,
I have to tell you something.
DC, oh God.
Henry?
Oh God.
Henry!
Is it actually though?
You know what it is.
Oh God.
He's not here. He's not here.
Yes, come on, Morgan.
You are not here.
Yeah, Carol's like,
We're supposed to be there. You've saved people. I've seen it again and again. You can't save the dead, Carol.
You're not dead.
I know. Not me. I don't die.
I love that line.
I just see it.
Oh no, not me, I don't die.
Again and again. Where'd they go?
We already told Maggie everything.
So tell me.
Oh shit.
Don't kill any more of them than you have to.
You're talking to the wrong guy here.
Last night they made a choice. It was the wrong choice.
You're talking to the wrong guy. Look at that face.
You could show them. By bringing them back, you could do that.
Shh.
Yeah, I could.
Yeah, I could. Yep, that's not happening.
Got your flare. That little fire you're gonna start with my girl. And let me tell you. Let's have a chat. Let the healing begin.
Oh my God. Oh no, that's his stick.
I was there that whole time watching him, knowing that something would happen. I knew it. I saw it. I was waiting for it to happen, and then it did. Like it always does.
Oh my god, this is so good. I'm loving this episode. The acting is solid.
My wife's name is Lucille.
Yo.
She got me through. I didn't give her shit, and she got me through.
The helicopter. The helicopter. Oh no! Oh, they didn't see the flare. Shit. It's a lot of zombies coming towards them. Rick and Morgan, the OGs.
Morgan, hey, you know me.
Oh shit!
This is a loose end sort of thing. That's it. It's gonna be better for you, better for us. Wait!
Oh my god!
Get him to the hilltops, doctor. He can come back with us. You all could. You asshats aren't dumb enough to believe it. We can hear him out. We could talk it over.
Yeah.
There isn't time for that.
But he'll probably kill you. Hurry! They're not gonna die, sorry. It's just still. Morgan, you got another show to do, man. Woo! Oh! Morgan's stick, baby. Don't kill the guys that are helping you. Really? I don't agree with that at all. I don't agree with that at all. They were helping you. Oh god. Shit! God damn it. He can take him. Ah! Finally, this long-haired fuck is gonna die. Rick is...
Alive.
Yeah. At this point, Negan doesn't want to kill people like this. Rick is crazy, like, killing more people than Negan. Okay, nice waste of a bullet.
Why did you save me? Why?
Because my son was there.
God! He's broken. Like the mirror.
Who knows? Maybe you'll want to share.
I wish she would go with him. Anyone she loves dies. Oh, he's still alive. Well, you stupid shit. Maybe you should run off. If Carol gets bit while doing this or something. Carol. Oh my god. I don't care. I'm sorry, I don't like Henry at all. Okay, I'm happy now because Ezekiel's happy. I don't care about Henry. What?
Holy hell. If shit could shit, it still wouldn't look as shitty as you. Get in. I knew you were alive. Hell yes I am. But you're not gonna say a word, you understand? Daddy's home and it's gonna be a surprise.
Oh.
Yeah, I got all sorts of surprises to roll out.
Okay, guys, another great episode. The acting was super strong in this one. Carol, I'm just saying the characters' names because it's easier, and some of you don't know their real names. Carol, Morgan, Jadis, Rick. They were solid this episode. They usually always are, but I just love these episodes when they focus on the main cast because the main cast are the strongest actors, in my opinion. So it was very good to me. We revealed the helicopter. Jadis is a part of it, but who it actually is, we still don't know that. That was awesome. Really quick, I want to discuss the poll from last week. Once again, if you want to be involved in the polls, click the link in the comment section. I'll put it in the comment section and in the description, and that will send you to my Patreon. It is $1 to participate in polls and discussions. Last poll was, who do you think is most likely to die before the season ends? And Simon won. He and Dwight was a close second, and I honestly hold the same opinions for that. Simon, I think, is a goner, especially now. So that was the poll for from last week. Check out my Patreon for this week's poll and be involved in it. Put a discussion, put a comment in there, and I will shout you out in my next video and talk about your comments. So back to the episode. Really good. I am very disappointed in Rick. Morgan, I can forgive because he's crazy, first of all, and he didn't promise his dying son that he was going to listen to him and take his wishes into mind. Because Rick, I understood them killing them when they first escaped because those are the saviors who left. Those are the bad saviors. But then half of them agreed to take over. They knocked Jared out, and they were helping them escape, and then they killed them. That makes no sense to me. Those men were okay. They were ready to go to the hilltop with you, and they just decided to kill them all. I find it absolutely ridiculous. I'm so disappointed in Rick and everything he's been doing since Carl's died. He has not been doing anything that Carl wanted. He's killing anyone he can, even if they give him a reason not to kill them. So it's very irritating. Maybe after he reads this letter it will change, but I'm still disappointed in what he has done up to this point. I really am. And I truly believe that Negan is more aware and wanting people to live than Rick is at this point. Don't crucify me for saying that, but I think it's true. They have different methods, yes, but I believe Negan is more conscious and wanting to save more people than Rick is at this point. Lenny Morgan had some great lines in this. He said, "I don't die." He's like, "No, I don't die." That was great. "You save people while I watch people die." He said that to Carol. He had a great moment with Rick about, Rick asked him, "Why did you save me?" at the beginning, so we got a good little throwback to the first episode. Lenny James is just superb to me. Morgan's my favorite character in the series, and that is mostly because of Lenny James. He is a phenomenal actor. Phenomenal. Once again, I've said this multiple times. Andrew Lincoln, Jeffrey Dean Morgan, and Lenny James, to me, are the strongest actors on the show. And I'm very happy with this episode. We have 2 more left. I don't know how they're going to wrap this bitch up in 2 episodes, but we'll see. I think I might be going to the finale in the theaters, so I might not be able to record it. But we shall see what happens. And with that being said, once again, check out my full episode reactions, check out my polls, all that in the description down below. And I will see you next time.